Alright, team. Tuesday afternoon. We cleared our driveway. Well, sorta. We stripped some stuff. Our trailer's looking a lot fuller because we combined our airdynes. We stripped this treadmill, we stripped that recumbent bike, and we stripped that recumbent bike mower thing. It turned out it didn't work. Oh, garage. Because we did all that, we ended up with a lot more floor space. There's our two working airdynes. That computer doesn't appear to work. The older style one does. It functions. I think that's oh, the snowblower with the workbench remodel. We brought it inside. We're going to try and get it started, see if we can't sell it before winter ends. Let me head over to that workbench area for you. We got these two stoves here, staged here to be tailgate. I think we're going to try and use this furnace for tailgate unless we get some better tailgate. And then we actually have our pickup truck tailgate. We're going to try this. I got that tub from the remodel. We're going to try throwing our motors in the tub, because we can stack them up in there a lot taller than just laying them right on the ground. So we'll see how that works out for us. We have not gotten much done over here. But I did find, I found a guy who'll take our bike tires. He's got a bunch of biking friends and he'll take our tires and tubes. So we're going to start delivering those, which will be a bonus because I didn't really want to just throw them away. So he's gonna use what he can and give the rest to his buddies who all bicycle as well. I think that'll do it for today, guys. Team, we're gonna cut down this 35-40 foot tree today. It's been dead for a couple years. Shouldn't be a lot of excitement. We're just gonna drop it in the yard over here. Anyway, we'll get going. We cut a notch and a back cut. I don't think I cut quite far enough on the back cut, but we roped it. We'll see if we can't just pull it over from there. Alright, hang on. Let me put a little more cut on it. Like falling over, long haul's just gonna give a little pull to finish it. Hey, that's your cue. Give it a little pull to finish it. Yep, go. Yay. Yeah, maybe more like a 30-35 footer. Well, I guess I left 5-6 foot. No, that's 4 foot of stump. Oh, that's 3 foot of stump. Anyway, I don't know how big around. It's not that big around. Anyway, the easy part's over. Now we got to cut it up into pieces. Catch you guys later. Team, Saturday. We're on the east side. In case you didn't recognize it. We are going to do some work out here. We haven't picked much up this week, so we're going to do some work out here. I'm not sure what. We'll clean, organize. I might try and do some bicycles, get them up on the trailer. You know, just progress, guys. Keep it moving. Team, we're at the Medical Center of the Rockies. We're up on the 5th floor, west balcony. I don't know if there's an east balcony or not, but we're on the west side of the building. Got a pretty good view from up here. So we're looking south. I can't see much on my phone. There's a Colorado flag over there. And the overpass is US 34. And the underpass where the trucks are going under, that's I-25. Sunday. We picked up some stuff at a clean out. And so we'll get it unloaded. I don't think we have big plans today. We'll see though. Seam gutter install. It's my first opportunity to see these in action. Unfortunately, my seam leaks. So I'll have to get some caulking and take care of that. I won't be able to do that today. I'd like it to dry out a little bit. Anyway, catch you later. Monday morning. I got some pickups from Sunday. Aluminum storm door, range hood, a range, 2-door file cabinet, bike frame, and a grill. I think that's all that's in there. We got our trash out, ready to go. I think that'll do it. We did get a couple garage door openers. And we got some other miscellaneous stuff. I don't remember if I showed you that load or not. We picked up those chairs. I can't remember if I showed you. You may have missed a load. Anyway, that's where the trailer's at. We're gonna make this the end of the video. So thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy. We'll catch you next time.